Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. From the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that today basically I'm going to share few of my favorite lip glosses. Yes, you heard me right, lip glosses. You all must have seen lot of videos on liquid lipstick, bullet lipstick and all, but lip gloss is basically in India where we stay, we don't use much lip gloss. But I am little bit different. I like lip glosses a lot. So today I am going to share basically my 8 favorite lip glosses. Alright, now before moving ahead, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, then definitely you can follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The links of the same will also be given in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. And the buying links of all this will be given in the description. So even check that as well. Right? Now without wasting any time, let's move ahead with the video. The first lip gloss which I want to share with you is this. This is from Lakme. I think in this they have 3 variants. The variant which I have is the bubblegum variant. Okay, yeah, it is the bubblegum variant. What I'll do is I'll swatch the lip glosses over here, but I don't think it is much visible, but still I will try my level best. So this is the first lip gloss. I don't know whether it is visible or no. This is, yeah, here. This is the first lip gloss. It will give you just shine to your lips, no color, because this is the bubble gum. I think in this you get different flavors, but that will give you color or no, I am not sure. But this is the bubble gum and it smells exactly like bubble gum, and I like this very much. So this is the first lip gloss, and you can say this is my first ever lip gloss. So this is first. The second which I want to share with you is basically I got it in Glamigo box or something. Yeah, Glamigo, not Glamigo. I think some subscription box, but definitely this is a fake lip gloss. They said this is the original, but ultimately it proved that this is a fake lip gloss. But still, since it is in my collection, I'm just showing you. It is from Line Crime. That is what they said. But no, this is not from Line Crime. They are like, and you all can see I have not used this because since they said it's a fake lip gloss, so I am little bit afraid of using it, and even that color is little bit for me, so I am not sure. And the variant which this is Trip. You all can see this Trip. Okay, so this is the Lime Crime one. So second one. The third lip gloss which I want to share with you is this. It is from Bella Voste. Okay, this is the Bella Voste, the perfect gloss. The variant which I have, once again I'll tell you the name, Turf Fan, 01 Turf Fan. You all can see this will give you a little bit of brown tint on your lips. I'll show you. And if you want to just apply this lip gloss, then definitely you can just apply. It will give you light tint on your lips. So you all can see this is the third one. This is from Bella Voste, Turf Fan. And if you want me to make a particular individual review on any particular lip gloss, you can let me know. But since this is lip gloss video, so I thought of sharing everything with you in one go. Okay. So now this is another lip gloss. This is from Essence. You all can see Essence. Essence Triple XL. I think now this is proper. Okay, this is Essence Triple XL lip gloss. It is nude. The variant which I have is 05 just nude, and I got this particular lip gloss from Nykaa. So Essence, I think not Nykaa. No. I'm sorry. I got this from Flipkart. I'm so sorry. Okay. So even this will give you no tint, just glossy effect. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture or no. It is here, the fourth one. Okay, just nude, and got this from Flipkart. Okay, the Essence one, because Essence is now available on Flipkart, and you all must be aware. This is from Rimmel London. You all can see Rimmel London. The variant which I have is 100 Love Bug. Okay, this is also their lip gloss. Even this will give you just some shine to your lips. This will not give you any tint. I'll show you. So this is their 100 Love Bug. It is here. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing. This is here. Okay, so mostly y'all can see my each and every lip gloss will just give you little bit of tint. Maximum all will give you glossy effect, not much tint, but still. Okay, the next one which I want to share with you is from Biotique. Okay, it is my recent purchase basically, and the variant which I have is Love Buzz. It's written over here. Y'all can see Love Buzz, and it is this Biotique. Okay, I have not yet used this one, but definitely this is the next variant. I'll show you. It comes with the doe foot applicator. And the variant which I told you is N308 Love Buzz. It is this one. This one, Love Buzz. So next variant, so this is the 6th variant, is from Biotique. It is a Biotique Natural Makeup Star Shimmer Glam Lip Gloss. Okay, so this is the next one. Moving ahead, I have one from K-Play, My Glam. You can see My Glam, K-Play. Alright, and the variant which I have is Cherry Burst 10. So this is actually the packaging. This is going to give you tint because I have already used this in one of my videos, and I got lot of compliments that whatever I applied on my lips, that was this particular lip gloss. Sorry for my swatch, I'm not a particular artist in swatches and all, but then definitely you all can see this is the swatch Cherry Burst. So if you want to get some lip gloss which will give you tint and which is in the affordable range, then definitely you can try My Glam. This video is not sponsored by My Glam or not by anyone. This is my own collection. I got each and everything by my own money, so nobody is sponsoring me. But because like My Glam runs lot of offers, and right now also they have buy one get one free. So during that offers, if you get some extra, then why not? So if you want to get this lip gloss, this is the right time. You can go ahead and check out the My Glam app, or maybe from the website also you all can order. So this is the Cherry Burst. In this you have lot of variants. Basically their line is about fruits and all. The variants what they have is related to fruits. The smell of that is fruits and all related to. So this is the next one, and the last one which I have is again from My Glam. But I'm so sorry, this is the limited edition. This is not available now. This is their actually Valentine's collection, and this is their Roman Holiday variant. You all can see Roman Holiday, and this is what the lip gloss basically. I'll show you. This is how basically the lip gloss looks like. It's like small heart, and I have already made one haul on My Glam. In that I have already shown this, but still again I'm just showing you. So if you have missed that, then definitely, and if possible for me, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so check that as well if you want. Okay, so this is the last one, Roman Holiday. This is the last one. So you all can see these are the basically 8 of my favorite lip gloss. Out of the 8 one, My Glam is the highest one which has the intensity to give on your lips. Rest all are basically the nude, or maybe you can say exactly lip gloss. So this is actually the small collection, not collection, this is like few of my favorite lip glosses which I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked it, and if yes, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and leave your precious comments in the comment section. And if you have any other video suggestions also to you want me to make a video on, that also you can drop in the comment section. I will read it. I will try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm wrapping up for today. Again, I'm telling you, if you want a particular review on any particular lip gloss which I have shown you, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a separate video for you. Give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. That's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.